Hello everyone. So today I'm going to do a review of ProstaStream for you all, and I will tell you that is prostate pills are legit or are these scam. So without any delay, I should start. So ProstaStream is a men's prostate supplement by Frank Neal that claims to help shrink the prostate and reduce BPH symptoms in weeks using all the natural ingredients. So does ProstaStream really support prostate health, and how does ProstaStream work? Find out everything today that you need to know about ProstaStream in my review. So first of all, what is ProstaStream? So ProstaStream is a nutritional supplement marketed as a #1 method to help support a healthy prostate. The supplement is exclusively sold online through prostastream.com only, which features the story of Frank Neal, who tested over 144 active prostate supporting extracts to come up with this exact ingredients list. Frank Neal created the ProstaStream formula as a way to help men target prostate issue as they age. More than 50% of men over age 50 experience some symptoms of benign hyperplastic hyperplasia, which is also called as BPH, as they age. It's a natural part of aging. In most men, your prostate naturally gets bigger as you get older. BPH leads to unwanted symptoms like frequent trips to the bathroom, trouble emptying your bladder, and trouble urinating. Some men also experience sexual dysfunction. ProstaStream claims to help support a healthy prostate. The sales page for ProstaStream is filled with stories of men who lived a BPH-free life after taking ProstaStream. With the average age of men in the United States getting older, prostate health has become a major issue for many. With this in mind, this review of ProstaStream prostate supplement I will talk about the use of pills, prostate pills, and how they can help you to alleviate these problems that arise as we grow older in a safe and effective manner as a first line of defense. So, everyone has different needs, you should agree, okay? When it comes to prostate health supplements, we will give you some of the top questions you should be asking yourself and what type of product will work best for you. So when exploring a few of the most popular products currently on the market and how they compare against each other, ProstaStream has many shining attributes and ingredients that are worthy of a real highlighting effort. Before we get into the product specifics made available, I want to discuss what makes a good brand in the first place. There are things to look for and telltale signs that if you are dealing with a quality brand or not. First, you want to make sure the product contains a high enough dosage of the active ingredients. Second, you want to look for a product that uses all natural ingredients. If it's a supplement that comes in capsule form, make sure they are made of plant cellulose, not gelatin. If it is a liquid medicine or powder, make sure there are no artificial additives or flavors present. So when you're looking at the ingredients, make sure they are all natural. This is the most important thing while looking for any supplement regarding anything. So we prefer to avoid any products that contain ingredients you can't pronounce or have never heard of before. This is especially true if the product is a liquid or powder that you take orally. While ProstaStream ingredients are worthy of a solid look, all of them meet this criteria so far. But does ProstaStream really give you a BPH-free life? Can you avoid BPH symptoms by taking ProstaStream? So let's take a closer look at how the supplement really works. So what is present in ProstaStream? ProstaStream contains a mix of vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts that target prostate health in various ways. Most of the ingredients are in doses too low to significantly impact human health. Although ProstaStream contains various doses of proven BPH fighting supplement ingredients such as zinc, selenium, copper, saw palmetto berries, plant sterol complex. Zinc, selenium, and copper can all be found in multivitamin supplements. They are crucial for male health, and some studies also show they can support prostate health in various ways. Multiple studies have shown that the men who are deficient in zinc, for example, have trouble with prostate health. Zinc is found in high concentrations with your prostate, which is why it plays a role in prostate health. If you're already getting enough zinc per day, then ProstaStream is unlikely to impact prostate health. However, if you're deficient in zinc, then ProstaStream or any zinc supplement could support prostate health. ProstaStream also contains plant sterols, which are found in many prostate supplements, also known as beta-sitosterol. Plant sterols are naturally found in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, and studies show they support prostate health in various ways. So, WebMD acknowledges that plant sterols are most commonly used for lowering cholesterol levels and improving symptoms of an enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH. Studies on beta-sitosterol show that taking 60 mg to 130 mg of beta-sitosterol by mouth per day could improve symptoms of BPH. However, the ProstaStream sales page makes multiple bold claims about the formula, claiming it targets inflammation within your prostate, helping support the normal prostate size. Beta-sitosterol studies have not shown that it actually shrinks an enlarged prostate, although it could help with certain prostate symptoms. ProstaStream also contains ingredients like saw palmetto berries, mushroom extract, cat's claw, and tomato fruit powder. However, none of these ingredients are proven to eliminate BPH symptoms or shrink your prostate outright, but do offer a host of other scientifically studied benefits that all aging men are well equipped to have versus not have, if have a legit choice and real chance at not dealing with frequent bladder issues and the like, especially at the sound dosage found in ProstaStream. So, overall, the most important ingredients in ProstaStream out of the 144 tested are saw palmetto berries, Fraviola leaf, Japanese mushroom mix of maitake, reishi, and shiitake, zinc, copper, and beta-sitosterol. The other ingredients like cat's claw and tomato fruit powder or selenium, vitamin E, and vitamin B6 are lower dosage amounts but still included to be effective enough on top of all the other ProstaStream supplement ingredients. So what does ProstaStream do? According to the official ProstaStream website, the supplement can provide all of the following benefits which I am going to tell you in this video. The number one benefit is the number one method to support a healthy prostate. Number two, developed after years of personal trials and experiments. Number three, provides the best possible results when maintaining good prostate health. Number four, supports a healthy inflammatory response. Number five, helps any man easily navigate a BPH-free life. Most prostate supplements claims to support prostate health in various ways. ProstaStream, however, actually claims to support inflammation and push you towards a BPH-free life. It's unclear if ProstaStream eliminates BPH entirely, but the creator of ProstaStream, Frank Neal, clearly believes in his formula. So you must be wondering who is Frank Neal and why I am taking his name again and again. So Frank Neal, ProstaStream was made by a man. He is the owner of ProstaStream. Frank claims that he developed ProstaStream after many years of personal trials and experience. He also claims to have researched all corners of the globe to find the best natural cures for prostate issues after endless testing with 144 organic ingredients. He eventually settled on the ProstaStream formula. Frank Neal is not a medical doctor, nor he is a certified nutritionist or personal trainer. In fact, Frank Neal doesn't exist. In fine print at the bottom of the sales page, you will learn Frank Neal is a pen name used for marketing purposes. Strange. Sounds sus. Ultimately, there is limited information about who actually created ProstaStream, what types of medical qualifications they have, and how much testing ProstaStream completed before its release. This may be a red flag for ProstaStream claims, But let's explore what some of the actual science says about the ingredients which are inside this healthy prostate support blend. 1 second. To be clear, there is no known cure for BPH, also known as an enlarged prostate. Doctors recommend medications, therapies, and diet changes that could reduce the size of your prostate. However, once your prostate starts growing, it typically continues to grow unless you start medical therapy. In other words, we are skeptical that ProstaStream can give you a BPH-free life as mentioned on the supplement sales page. The company cites this page from the University of Michigan School of Medicine discussing the power of saw palmator extract. On that page, researchers acknowledge that some studies saw palmator target symptoms of prostate issues, although they cautioned the other studies found no significant benefits whatsoever. In other words, more research is needed to verify saw palmator has any effect on prostate health. Overall, ProstaStream seems to contain several powerful ingredients for supporting prostate health. ProstaStream discloses its full ingredients label upfront, which lists most ingredients and dosage within the formula. Key ingredients in ProstaStream includes vitamins such as vitamin E and vitamin B6, minerals, extract minerals, essential minerals for a life such as zinc, selenium and copper, herbal and plant extracts, proprietary blend. So, why will using ProstaStream pills work for prostate health? Will it really work for your prostate health? So, the prostate gland is a small walnut-shaped organ that lies between the bladder and the penis. The prostate is a part of the male reproductive system and performs two important functions. It helps produce seminal fluid which nourishes and protects sperm cells, and it helps to propel semen which contains the sperm out of the penis during ejaculation. The prostate gland is about the size of a walnut. It is located in the front of rectum and under the bladder between the pubic bones. The urethra, which carries urine and semen out of the body, runs through it. To function normally, a man must have a healthy prostate gland. Nowadays, it's not uncommon for men to suffer from an enlarged prostate. This is the condition in which the prostate becomes enlarged and presses against the urethra, causing symptoms such as difficulty or pain while urinating, frequent nighttime urination, feeling that one has not completely emptied their bladder after urination, and involuntary leakage of urine. Fortunately for those who live with this condition, there are several treatments. Prostate cancer is the most common cancer in men. It develops when some of the cells in the prostate gland begin to grow out of control. Many men live with prostate cancer without any symptoms because it grows slowly and causes no problems. However, some cases can cause serious problems. When prostate cancer grows, it may spread to other parts of the body such as the bones or lymph nodes or to other organs. In evolutionary terms, it appears to be vestigial structure with no known function. It has also been observed that the prostate is more prone to cancer than most other organs, leading some scientists to theorize that it may have played an important role in human evolution at some point in the past. Prostate enlargement is a condition in which the prostate becomes enlarged, causing symptoms such as difficulty or pain while urinating and frequent nighttime urination. It is a common disorder that occurs when male hormones, androgens, begin to decrease and affects approximately 30% of men over the age of 50. The ProstaStream ingredients are a part of man's sexual health supplementation program that is all but a daily approach and a mindset to optimizing the body as safety. Naturally, the best as possible due to its ability to target inflammation that causes an enlarged prostate. I hope you like my review and please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that YouTube algorithm can know that you have liked this video, and thank you for watching this video again. Thank you.